May I come in? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
You'd be Mr. Harsh Chandra.
Yes, sir.
Right.
It's Apar, yes.
Right. And you're from Etawah. Briefly introduce yourself to us.
So, I'm Apar Harsh Chandra. I belong from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my basic schooling from Etawah itself. After that, I have shifted to Aligarh for pursuing my senior secondary education from Aligarh Muslim University. After that, I completed my bachelor in technology under mechanical engineering stream from IIT Roorkee, post which I was working as a software developer with Standard Chartered Global Business Services. I resigned from that position last year, and post which I am preparing for engineering services examination. This is my second attempt.
Your date of birth is 1st December or 12th
January.
Which famous personalities, apart from yours, birthday falls on this date?
Sir, Swami Vivekanand birthday.
What can you tell me about him?
So,
Why him and why not anyone else who can inspire generations for the last 100 plus years, 125 years?
So, his personality, aspiring personality, auspicious personality, and main aim for the inspiration of youth. So, forwarding the youth towards the nation's development and means pushing them to means getting a sustainable as well as brighter future of this country. So, means this agenda of his has been the major factor for
Which was the most important part of his speech on which there was a standing ovation right in the beginning?
Sir, I cannot recall
because nobody else addressed an audience like that.
Yes, sir. But
My dear sisters and brothers. Okay,
sorry,
no, that's what I wanted to say. His main thrust was on youth, but he was the first person which the world realized was about a pan-global thought and not just talking about a tribe or a nation or
localized thought.
Okay, anyway, ये low-hanging fruit hai. So you have to focus your answer in that way. Carry on, sir.
Sure.
So, tell me, what did you learn in Standard Global Business Bangalore?
So, as a software developer, my team was working over interactive dashboards, Tableau dashboards, which helped the clients to analyze what all the data and the payrolls and the transactions are being processed, as well as a little bit forecast as well. My work there was to link those dashboards with the website and means maintain various automation scripts which run on a daily basis.
चलो आप पूछो टेक्निकल.
Apar, tell me, what are your favorite subjects?
So, engineering thermodynamics, strength of materials, heat transfer.
Tell me, what is centroidal axis?
So, there are three centroidal axes for a cross section, namely horizontal centroidal axis, vertical centroidal axis, and polar axis.
What is centroidal axis? Still the question remains unanswered.
So, it's an axis passing through the centroid, but
That's it. What is neutral axis?
So, axis on a beam which is under bending, which at which the net bending stress is 0.
Is it necessary that it has to be beam only?
No, so means any component which is under bending, so that the bending stress is 0. So all those points which, when you connect it, are we call it neutral axis for a cross section.
Bending stress or strain would be 0, or at that point the moment will change from negative to positive? Think.
So the bending stress changes its sign from positive to negative, and so as much as I remember, it actually gets zero at that particular.
How it is different from centroidal axis, or both are same?
No, sir. In some cases, it can be same, but not in all the cases. For example, if you talk about a beam, if there is bending taking in action, and also a axial load is there on that particular cross section, then the neutral axis will shift from the centroidal axis towards one side.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the significance of beam of uniform strength?
So beam of uniform strength refers to a beam which has same bending stress all over the section. Sorry, not the section, all over the beam, right from the start to the end.
Bending strength only.
Yes, sir. Bending stress.
What are principal planes?
Principal planes are those planes and at which the shear stress is zero and the normal stress takes the maximum value.
Are you sure?
As magnitude. Yes, sir. As much as I can.
There are how many principal planes?
So for two complementary principal planes are possible.
So both will have maximum value?
Yes, so means magnitude. Oh, no, sir. Sorry, sir. So shear stress will be zero, not necessarily the magnitude. One of the principal plane would be having the maximum normal stress.
And another would be?
It would be minimum, yes.
And at that plane, there will be no shear stress?
Yes, sir. No shear stress.
Sure. And if there is a shear stress at a plane, then the value of normal stress would be exceeding these values, or?
No, so it will be in between these two values of the principal.
The maxima and the minimum?
Yes, sir.
Fine. What are various theories of failure?
So there is Rankine's theory, there is maximum shear stress theory, there is maximum distortion energy theory, maximum maximum strain theory, Higgs theory, which is one more is there, sir. I'm not able to recall. 5 are there.
Sir.
Okay. So Harsh, tell me, what is difference between a high-speed train and a normal speed train in terms of mechanical engineering?
So the high-speed trains are usually running at a speed of about 120 to 160 kilometers per hour. They, as per the design, if we talk about from mechanical perspective, they would be having a better aerodynamically designed so that it can be facing less drag. Along with that, there would be better suspension system so that all the jerks and the vibrations gets less transmitted at such high speeds.
Okay. So what do we do for better suspension?
So we implement a pneumatic suspension system which works on the compressed air principle.
How can we say this system is better?
So from the spring, if we compare it with the basic spring system, so here the air. So sorry, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the material of rails that we use in railways?
Sorry, sir.
What are different materials we use in different components?
Components of, sir.
Component in terms of normal mechanical engineering.
So mild steel we utilize. We use cast iron for means more strength materials. Then various alloy steels we use, like Invar steel is there.
Where is Invar used?
So mainly where the temperature variation we have to, means there is a lot of temperature variation that particular metal component has to sustain.
So can you tell me example of where Invar is used? Practical example.
So aerospace
we use in VAR?
So in turbine blades we can use.
In turbine blades, we use in VAR. What is the temperature of exposed temperature to which a gas turbine is exposed?
So gas turbine, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not able to recall, but can I guess, sir?
Yeah, please.
So it's around 1100 degrees Celsius.
And what is the composition of INVAR?
So it comprises of nickel as the major alloying element of the steel.
And what is the maximum temperature it can sustain?
I'm not sure.
So what is the material that we use in gas turbines?
For gas turbine blades, it's mostly single crystal material. Yes, you're right, sir. We do not use INVAR because it's not the single crystal
which material?
No, sir, not.
Okay. You told your favorite subject is thermal science engineering. So tell me, what is steady flow energy equation?
So steady flow energy equation is basically conservation of all the kind of energies. Let it be high grade energy or low grade energy. It comprises of potential energies, kinetic energies, and heat as well as work also into consideration.
So what are the different components of this equation?
So enthalpy, kinetic energy, potential energy, the heat interaction as well as the work interaction.
Okay, so let's say we have a gas turbine engine. Can we use for the compressor, can we use steady flow energy equation?
Yes, sir. It means if it is working under steady state condition, yes, then yes.
Okay. So can you tell me, let's say at the inlet and outlet you want to use this equation. How would the equation look like?
So is the compressor insulated?
No, it's a practical
It's
compressor.
practical compressor. Okay. Then sir, on the means, shall I just means dictate the equation, right? So there will be heat means which will be dissipated from that particular compressor.
I'm just asking the terms.
Okay, terms. So enthalpy will be there. Heat, work input, and the velocity with which the fluid enters and exits will also be there. Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the different modes of heat transfer?
So conduction, convection, and radiation.
Which one is the most dominating mode of heat transfer in, let's say, day-to-day working?
So convection in day-to-day activities.
What will be the different loads on a hall like this? Different thermal loads.
So there would be sensible loads like and latent loads. These lights as well as the fans. Our human bodies means also dissipate heat. Then all the components, computers, and all also are also.
What are different typical numbers in terms of the percentage?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
No idea. Okay, sir.
Okay, Apar, you belong to a colony called Ajit Nagar.
Ajit, yes.
What is common to Ajit Nagar and Mohali? You know where Mohali is?
So near to Chandigarh. No, sir, I'm not sure. Sorry, sir.
Its new name is SAS Nagar, Sahibzada Ajit Singh Nagar.
Okay.
Right? Okay. I'm asking general questions. Technical ho gaya. Can you tell me, India has land borders with several countries. As per the Indian map, the authorized Indian map, which are the countries with which we have land borders?
So
Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. 3 मैं गिना रहा हूँ. बाकी तुम बताओ.
So Afghanistan, China.
Very good.
And Nepal.
And
Bhutan as well.
Bhutan. Are we now? Why and why not Tibet? We have given sanctuary to the Dalai Lama and treated him as the spiritual head of Tibet. So even in our maps, we call it Tibet and not China. Our border is, our northern border is with Tibet. Chinese forces are there, we know that. But there's something else. कोई बात नहीं. Technically, is Sri Lanka a part of India's land border?
No, sir.
Not politically, technically.
No, sir. It is a different country. So
I said not politically, technically.
no, sir.
Geologically, is it an Indian? Is it having a land border with India?
Geologically, sir. So there is a 50 kilometers of.
Pad lena. Okay. Can you tell me about some, let's say, any 10 tribes of India, indigenous tribes?
So there is, means I'm not sure of the exact name, but one tribe from Gonda.
It's called Gond. And
another from Andaman Nicobar Island. From, not exactly, I don't remember the name, sir. And in the northeast area, this Manipur side, we have.
Pad lena.
Yes, sir.
These are the small little things. These are the, देखो 5 ट्राइब्स तो एंडमन्स में ही हो गई. अगर एंडमन्स का भी तुमने एक पन्ने का पढ़ लिया, जरावा, सेंटिनलीज, ग्रेट निकोबारीज, स्मॉल एंडमनीज, यही 4 हैं. ठीक है. गोंड, सांथाल, टोडा, खासी, गारो, जयंतिया, कितने हैं? ओके. In number. So this is typically, you should be able to reel off the union territories. Which are the union territories of India?
So Ladakh.
Yeah, Ladakh. And
Daman and Diu, Pondicherry.
एक मिनट. Pondicherry, yes. Daman and Diu का technical नाम क्या है अब union territory का?
So they have merged Dadra and Nagar.
Very good. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Right. 3 हो गई. फिर
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep.
Delhi is also a union territory.
Yes.
So I'm not sure of Andaman Nicobar Island.
Of course it is. What else is it?
Yes, yes.
Then Pondicherry.
Yes, sir.
Then a very important union territory you're missing out. International importance. Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, sir.
Start with that. 2 ऊपर हैं, चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली, गोवा, ये दमन दीव, दादरा नगर हवेली, ये लैंड बेस्ड हैं. पौंडीचेरी कोस्ट पे है, एक इस समुंदर में, एक उस समुंदर में. हो गया. आवाज़ को थोड़ा सा ऊंचा कीजिए.
Okay.
Firstly, be as relaxed as you can. Your voice, your confidence levels are very high. I'm quite happy to see that. But you can go back. You can go back a bit. Relax. Put your hands gently, not like this. Okay, this is a uniformed service wala posture. You are not in that.
Okay, sir.
You're not appearing for the CRPF or the army. Sit comfortably and you use your hands for gesticulation, which you are not using at all. Your eye movement is good relatively. You are looking at everybody the way you should. Put a little more decibel level in your voice. It should have more energy. But most important thing which I have to advise you, when you listen to the question, you seem to be in a hurry to respond back. Don't do that. Very often you're muffing up the answer totally. कुछ का कुछ आप बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है? No need for panicking there. Wait for the question to end. Process the question. See which next 3 sentences can best fit the answer.
Understood. Yes.
Can best make the answer. Right in the first 5, 7, 8 seconds, if you are not able to answer, you have already lost the question. Understood? It's that important.
Yes.
So try practicing with that in mind. It has to be right in the beginning. The bulk of the meat of the answer should be right in the beginning. If we are interested in engaging you in further discussions, we'll ask you with a follow-up question. So process it, and your words should be precise. If you pause and think of the answer first, it will avoid you filling in the answer with all sorts of unnecessary information. It will make it precise, to the point, and also biggest. You will not be speaking unnecessary things which might turn up as a trap for your next question, by way of a next question. Chaliye sir, I'm through.
वही चीज़ है यार, मतलब अपने फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बोल रहे हो, उन्हीं में गुफ अप कर रहे हो. दैट्स ए क्राइम. आपसे पूछा आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या है, आपको समझ रहे हो, आपको हाथ में तलवार दे दी थी मैंने. साहब अब जो नाच दिखाओगे वो नाच दिखेंगे. उसी में आप फंडामेंटल चीज़ें, प्रिंसिपल प्लेन्स नहीं बता पा रहे हो, सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस नहीं बता पा रहे हो, न्यूट्रल एक्सिस में कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो. मैं आपको कंफ्यूज कर रहा हूं. कम से कम अपने पॉइंट पे तो स्टैंड गुड करो. थ्योरीज ऑफ फेलियर नहीं बता पा रहे हो, प्रिंसिपल प्लेन्स का फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल नहीं बता पा रहे हो. सेम गोज विथ सर. और जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके बेसिकली इसी से सवाल है. टाइम है अभी, ठीक है. कम से कम अब आपसे ये पूछा गया भाई युद्ध किस हथियार से लड़ोगे, आपने कहा सर मैं, ठीक है. अर्जुन ने कहा साहब मैं धनुष बाण अच्छा चलाता हूँ. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो तुम्हें धनुष बाण दिया, जब जीता हो. बोले सर बहुत दिन से चलाया नहीं है. ये कर रहे थे आप, तो यार दैट्स ए क्राइम सर.
Harsh, like the sir said, don't be in a hurry to answer. पहले understand the question properly, frame the answer for that question in your mind, and then answer it. It is not that you don't have technical knowledge. You have technical knowledge, but आपने बहुत सारा mix up कर दिया. It is always advisable कि जो आप बोल रहे हो at least you should know what you are speaking. ठीक है. आपसे मैंने सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा, मटेरियल्स क्या यूज करते हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में. इनवार इज अ मटेरियल विच इज यूज्ड प्रिसाइजली ओनली फॉर वॉचेस और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. उसके अलावा कहीं यूज नहीं होता. एल्यूमिनियम इतना यूज होता है, कॉपर इतना यूज होता है, आयरन इतना यूज होता है. यू डिड नॉट इवन से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. सो हैव सर्टेन प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड कि हाँ यार ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा, इट्स ओके. वहां घबराना नहीं है. एक क्वेश्चन नहीं आया कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा क्वेश्चन आएगा. नहीं आया तो 10 क्वेश्चन इसीलिए पूछे जाते हैं. एक नहीं आया उसके चक्कर में सारी थोड़ी बर्बाद कर दोगे. रिटर्न में एक नहीं आया कोई बात नहीं, नहीं आता है अगला लिखेंगे. सो यू हैव टू थिंक बिफोर आंसरिंग. यू हैव टेक्निकल नॉलेज बट आपको प्रेजेंट करना नहीं आया. And you have to revise, you have put railways as your first option, but railways की चीज़ें नहीं पता है. मैं थोड़ा और डिटेल में घुसना चाहता था बट आपने सबसे पहले ही कट कर दिया कि सर आई डोंट नो द मटेरियल्स. सो मटेरियल साइंस इज ऑल गॉन. फिर थर्मल से पूछा तो SFE में आपने पता नहीं क्या पूरा रायता बना दिया उसका. आई आज सिंपल टर्म्स, enthalpy, kinetic energy, potential energy, H1 half mv square plus rho gh plus heat will be equal to. आप थ्योरी में ही घुसाए जा रहे थे उसको. सो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है. आई सेड व्हाट इज स्टेडी फ्लो एनर्जी इक्वेशन, कैन वी यूज फॉर कंप्रेसर. यस. मैंने पूछा व्हाट आर द टर्म्स, सीधा आपको बता देना चाहिए था फटाक से. Okay, so be very precise in your answer. Okay, you have a good potential, you have good technical knowledge. IIT से हो, आपका लेवल बहुत हाई होगा. BTech from IIT is something which they want कि हाँ भाई आ गया कोई अच्छा नॉलेज वाला. फिर अगर आप नहीं बताओगे तो then it will be more demoralizing. Okay, so that you have to understand. आप रिवाइज करो टेक्निकल सारे सब्जेक्ट्स, स्टडी रिलेटेड टू रेलवे, स्टडी रिलेटेड टू GS, like sir said. ठीक है. Rest everything was fine. So we'll share the feedback and work upon that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
all
sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir.